Hey guys, welcome back to the DA Time channel. Alright, so now I'll be covering part two of Python. I covered part one in my other video. If you don't know what like the basics are, go back to the other video before you learn this. Okay, now let's do a quick recap. So to print something out, you just do print. If it's a number, then you directly put like your number in. Or if it's like a string is basically words, letters, okay? Then you put either one quotation marks or double quotation marks, doesn't matter. Then you just write whatever you want to write. Then to name a variable, you put your variable, any name equals, and then you define it. So do print A. Okay, that'll work. And to get an input from user, you just do B equals, and then if it's like a number, then you just do int input, and then you put your other parenthesis, put your quotation marks, and then write like, hello, what is your name? So that'll just like, that's just what's going to be printed out here. Sorry. Okay, look, and then I just do one. Okay, and then I just do print B. So now whatever I type, and then when it's a name, then you can remove that int, and there we go. That'll work. Okay, sorry. Okay, so like this is one example, okay? Line 5. So here, this is good. It tells you exactly which line. Now it says invalid syntax. Well, here's the thing. Whenever you do Python, right? It can be either on that specific line or the line above, okay? So be sure of that. Alright, so now I'm gonna clear this out. Okay, now we'll be covering while loops. While loops are really helpful if you just wanted to keep on going in a loop. Like the things I showed you right after you did it, right? It just ended. Well, so what you do while, and then you put parenthesis, wrong one. Then you put a condition. So one example could be like A has to be greater than 5. So that means, sorry, 5. That means that whatever's inside this while loop, it'll keep on repeating until A is greater than 5. But then right when it gets like less than 5 or equal to 5, then it's gonna stop. And then what you do, you put the colon, and then you hit return. And then here, just pretend I said print, and then we'll do A, okay? And then we'll do A equals A minus 1. And we guys gotta name it first, so let's just go A equals 10. So now what this is showing that we guys already put like A as 10. Then it'll keep on printing the number A, whatever is gonna be up here, until A is greater than 5. And then after each turn, it's gonna subtract 1 from like that 10 as of now. So look, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. It's not doing 5 because I never did equal to. Okay? There's another kind of while loop. The other kind of while loop is a while true. So what you do, while true, this is just something that'll keep on repeating. It'll never end. So I print hi. Okay, it'll keep on repeating. Sorry. Forgot. Never forget your quotation marks. I'm gonna give you some trouble. Okay. So look, it just keeps on going. Look, you can see it's being printed out every single second. Okay? So, alright, so now if you want to end this, right, then you just do the break function. Break, like, that means it'll just print out once. It'll just break after that happens. So while true, so if you guys remove the break, then it'll just keep on, like, keep on printing out high. But then if you do the break function, then remember Python is a line by line reader language. So like it'll read while true, okay, print high, and then it's like break, then it'll automatically break after the first time. Okay? Now I'll be telling you guys how to take input from user. I'm gonna keep that in here so it'll keep on going. Okay, so now if you do A equals, no, not input, sorry, if else. Okay, so A equals like input, and then it's like, if you do like, what is your favorite color? Okay, you do that. Then what we can do if else. So we can do if, then we guys can tell what condition we're giving. So condition, if like here we want A to equal like red, so we guys can do if A double equals means like it's equaling, and then we gotta put this in quotation marks red. Then we guys can put our colon and print, and then now we just print whatever we want to print. We just go like nice choice. Okay, we run it. What is your favorite color? If I do red, then it's gonna be nice choice. So it'll keep on going. But if I do like orange, nothing will happen. It will just like not terminate, but it'll just keep on going. And just pretend right when they said red, then you want it to break, you use the break function inside the if loop. So now just pretend what if red, then it'll just say nice choice and then but. If I say like orange, it'll just keep on going because I haven't added anything for that. Then we guys can add Boolean operators. Boolean operators are like or and. So we can use like the or to go like A equals double equals to, and then we can do capital and then red. So that'll just like give more like interface to the user. And we can also use a Boolean operator called and. That's when you're asking the person two things or more. And then you can do the and. That means both of those things has to be true to get this. Now, there's another thing called else. Else works the exact same way, except in else you cannot add a condition. You see how we added a condition here? You cannot. So if you just do else, and make sure you're out of like the if loop, or else okay? And then we can do else. You can just do print. Nice. Okay, so like if I do red, then it'll stop. But if I do like orange, then it'll be nice and keep on going unless we add like a break here. Okay, so that's pretty much all the basics I have for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share. And bye.